有些女人冰箱永远都是塞满了，但她心里面一直都空着一个位置。她很会照顾人，孩子喜欢什么她都记得，老公最近在吃什么记得，家里快没有什么她先发现。轮到她自己的时候，永远都是一句随便啦，我都可以，不要麻烦。久了连喜欢什么都慢慢讲不出来。你问她你要吃什么，她会停一下，因为太久没有认真的去想过自己想要什么。小时候太懂事的人啊，长大后都会有一点小心翼翼，讲话小心，花钱的时候小心，麻烦别人的时候也特别的小心，看心太多也要小心。他习惯看别人的脸色，先看周围的气氛，先想这样会不会不好，这样会不会麻烦别人，这样别人会不会不开心。所以有时候打开冰箱，真的会看到一个女人最近过得怎么样。东西是很多，照顾别人也很多，只是那个最容易被忘记的人刚好是自己。 Some women look very okay, house running, family eating, everything settled. But if you watch carefully, they are always adjusting, always checking, always making sure everyone else is okay first. Then when people ask, what about you? They pause. Not because they don't know, because nobody asked for a very long time. Growing up being the understanding one sounds nice, but it quietly teaches you something. Don't trouble people. Don't ask too much. Be easy, be good. So after some time, you stop choosing, stop wanting, stop taking up space. Even simple things become anything lah, up to you. And maybe that's why some women feel tired all the time, not only from doing too much, but from being careful for too many years. 我是 Chloe， 陪你坚定又温柔的成长。